Brookcrest is a skilled nursing facility with a CMS 5-star rating. We provide 2 different options of care in our facility. The first option is our short-term subacute rehab. Our rehab team consists of a nursing case manager, physical, occupational, speech, and recreational therapies, as well as a local group of medical providers who are available to us 24/7. Our long-term care and memory care units provide the highest level of care in our Sunset Continuum. Our long-term care interdisciplinary team consists of a nursing clinical coordinator, social worker, recreational therapist, and a registered dietitian. Our collaborative partnership with Emmanuel Hospice is something that's very important to us. They provide additional clinical support to our teams, as well as specialized services such as music and massage therapy, pastoral services, and bereavement support. Our recreational therapy department has not skipped a beat during the pandemic. They have adapted their programming and leisure activities to allow engagement through virtual, independent, and even small socially distanced groups. Our virtual visits have not only consisted of spending time with family and friends, but have also included the opportunity to participate in a university's pandemic companionship program, as well as an intergenerational music therapy group. We are fortunate to have a full-time infection preventionist on our team who has supported us during the COVID-19 pandemic by ensuring that we are following all of the current CDC, CMS, and state guidelines. We have a facility vaccination average of 95% of residents and 69% of our active staff. All of our staff and residents have had the opportunity to be vaccinated, and we will complete our clinics in early March. Thank you for your interest in Brookcrest. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our admissions department.